Did you know that something as innocent as coriander could become a health hazard when paired with the wrong foods? Could a seemingly harmless meal lead to something as serious as cancer or dementia? While coriander is often celebrated for its amazing health benefits, like reducing inflammation and supporting digestion, combining it with certain foods can have the opposite effect. These wrong combinations could increase your risk of toxic buildup in the body, leading to cellular damage that increases your risk of cancer or even cognitive decline. We'll expose the 3 worst foods that should never be combined with coriander to avoid these dangerous effects. We'll introduce you to 3 best foods that enhance coriander's natural health benefits, such as boosting immunity, improving heart health, and detoxifying your body. So, first worst food you should never combine with coriander is grapefruit. You've probably heard that grapefruit can interact with medications, but when mixed with coriander, the risks could compound. Both coriander and grapefruit can affect the way your liver processes medications, especially those for heart disease, cancer, and even mental health. Combining these 2 could lead to dangerously high levels of drugs in your system, increasing the chances of side effects. And that's not all. Grapefruit has been linked to issues like inflammation and oxidative stress. You're on any medications or worried about long-term brain health, this is one combination to avoid. Second worst food you never combined with coriander is processed meats. You might love sprinkling coriander on your favorite bacon-topped dishes or in your sausage-laden soups, but think twice. Processed meats are filled with nitrates and nitrites, preservatives that, when metabolized, form compounds linked to cancer. In fact, the more frequently you eat this combination, the higher your risk of developing certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. Third and last worst food never combine with coriander is high-sugar foods. You might think that adding coriander to your sweet dish is a healthy choice, but here's the problem. Too much sugar wreaks havoc on your body by increasing inflammation and oxidative stress. When you eat sugary foods regularly, especially combined with other ingredients like coriander that might mask the harmful effects, you're more likely to experience insulin resistance. Over time, this increases your risk for serious conditions like type 2 diabetes and, yes, even dementia. So what's the takeaway here? Coriander is healthy on its own, but when combined with these foods, grapefruit, processed meats, and high-sugar dishes, it could contribute to some serious health issues. If you're looking to reduce your risk of cancer and other long-term health problems, think carefully about what you pair with this seemingly innocent herb. Now let's talk about best combination foods with coriander. So first best pairing food you combined with coriander is avocado. Coriander and avocado are a match made in heaven, but there's more to this combo than just great taste. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy fats, which help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Coriander adds its own health benefits, including antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Together, this combination can support your heart, reduce inflammation, and even improve digestion. Second best combining food with coriander is chickpeas. These little legumes are not only a great source of plant-based protein, but they're also rich in fiber, which supports healthy digestion and keeps you feeling full. Pair them with coriander, and you've got a powerhouse of nutrition. Coriander's natural oils can help stimulate digestive enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down and absorb the nutrients in chickpeas. Plus, this combo is great for blood sugar control, making it perfect for anyone looking to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Third best combining food with coriander is turmeric. This golden spice is famous for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and when you combine it with coriander, you're doubling down on the health benefits. Both coriander and turmeric are known for their ability to fight inflammation, which is key for preventing chronic diseases like heart disease and even cancer. Coriander also enhances the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, making this pairing even more effective. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when we post more health-boosting tips.